Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H100 and Apple AirPods Max. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H100 and Apple AirPods Max are both premium headphones, but they cater to different needs and preferences. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H100 are lightweight in-ear headphones known for their stylish design and high-quality audio performance. They offer excellent sound quality with a focus on clarity and detail, making them great for music lovers. H100 also features a comfortable fit and good battery life, typically lasting around 16 hours on a single charge. They come with touch control and are designed for portability, making them ideal for on-the-go listening. On the other hand, the Apple AirPods Max are over-ear headphones that provide a more immersive listening experience. They feature active noise cancellation or ANC and transparency mode, allowing you to control how much outside noise you want to let in. The sound quality is exceptional, with a focus at deep bass and wide soundstage. However, the AirPods Max are heavier and bulkier than the H100, with a premium build quality and a battery life of around 20 hours with ANC enabled. If you prefer lightweight portable headphones for casual listening, the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H100 is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a more immersive audio experience with features like ANC, the Apple AirPods Max would be the better option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.